All right, let me show you how you can protect columns in Excel. So in our example here, we just have a bunch of data with a map. We have all of the data entered here for the region, country, state or province, and the revenue associated with that location. And then in this area here, we have a filter function kind of filtering out different countries or regions depending on how we want. And so what we want to do is protect or lock these columns here so that nobody can come in and change any of these formulas that we have. But they'd still be able to change this area here to update or change any of this data. So the first thing you need to do is unlock or unprotect all of the cells in your worksheet. And we can do this by selecting all the cells on this worksheet by clicking this in the top left corner. That will select all the cells. Then you can right click and select Format Cells. Then this little menu box will appear. Go over to Protection and unselect Locked. Then go ahead and hit OK. And basically that's going to unlock all the cells in our worksheet. Now what we want to do is we want to lock all three of these columns so that nobody can type anything in this area over these formulas that we have. So once we have those selected, you can right click, go to Format Cells, make sure you're under Protection in this menu box, and hit Locked. Then go ahead and hit OK. And now these cells will be locked once we protect our worksheet from ever being updated. And we can protect our worksheet by going up to the Review ribbon here and then selecting Protect Sheet here. We'll go ahead and select that. This will appear and we can add a password to this protection if we'd like, or we can just leave it blank. But then we can go ahead and hit OK. And now if I try to type anywhere here, Excel's going to come up with an error message saying I can't. But I can still change these cells here. Just not any cell within these three columns. If I try to type or delete, it will pop up with that error message. And then you can simply unprotect the worksheet, which if you added a password will ask you for the password. And now I can go in and type whatever I want. And there you have it. That's how you can protect specific columns in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.